Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing well, thanks.
What's your name?
My name is Charles. Can I get your name?
My name is Catherine, but you can call me Kathy. What is your last name?
My last name is Smith. Where are you from?
I am from England, but my family is originally from South Africa. Where are you from?
I am from Berlin, Germany.
Wow, but your English is very good. How long have you been learning it?
I've been learning English for about 3 years.
How many languages do you speak?
I speak two languages fluently, English and German.
What do you do for a living?
I am a student. What about you? What do you do?
I'm an accountant.
Have you ever been to Germany?
No, I haven't been to Germany.
Are you married?
No, I'm not married.
Do you have children?
No, I don't have children.
What do you like to do for fun?
I enjoy hiking and playing the guitar.
How can I get to the train station?
Take the second left and then a right.
How far is it?
It's about 500 meters away.
Why are you here?
I'm here for a conference.
Can you drive?
Yes, I can drive. I have a driving license.
We are going out now. Are you coming with us?
Not this time, maybe next.
It was nice catching up. Until next time, Kathy.
It was nice meeting you too.
Is this seat taken?
No, it's not taken. You can sit here.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Where do you live?
I live in a small town near the coast.
Do you want to play tennis with us this afternoon?
Sure, I would love to play.
Who's calling?
It's my friend, Emily, calling.
What time do you go to school?
I usually go to school at 8 a.m.
How do you get to school?
I usually take the bus.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother and one sister.
How's your family?
They're doing well, thank you.
Where were you born?
I was born in New York.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is on May 10th.
What's your mother's name?
Her name is Susan.
What's your phone number?
It's 5551234.
What time is it?
It's 6:15.
How tall are you?
I am 5 feet tall.
How many people are in your family?
There are 4 people in my family.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a cat named Luna.
Where can I find Chinese food?
There's a great place on 5th Street, just around the corner.
Are the meals expensive there?
Yes, it's quite an expensive place to eat.
Why are you crying?
I'm not crying. I just have something in my eye.
What is this?
These are playing cards.
We are going to the cinema tonight. Would you like to join us?
No, I am not going to join you.
Why not?
Because I am visiting my grandma tonight.
Have you met the new students?
No, I haven't met them yet.
Can I see your new ID?
Sure, here's my ID.
Is this your freshman year in college?
Yes, it's my first year.
What do you study?
I study computer science.
What is your major?
My major is artificial intelligence. How about you?
I am studying accounting.
What do you want to do after you graduate?
I want to be a CPA. What are you doing this afternoon?
I haven't made any plans for this afternoon yet.
Have you ever been abroad?
Yes, I've been abroad a couple of times. How about you? How many countries have you traveled to?
I've traveled to about 5 countries so far. Are you hungry? I am going to the canteen.
Not really, I had a big lunch.
Who is that?
That's my friend, Alex.
What are you doing?
I'm just relaxing.
What are your plans for the weekend?
I'm planning to go hiking and then have a picnic.
When are we leaving?
We're leaving in about 30 minutes.
What did you do yesterday?
Yesterday was a day of relaxation for me. I spent it reading a book.
Do you play tennis?
Yes, I do play tennis.
How often do you play tennis?
I do play tennis once a week.
What are you thinking about?
I'm just thinking about what to cook for dinner.
Where are you going?
I'm heading to the library.
Wow, that is a big laptop. How much does it weigh?
It weighs about 5 pounds.
What are you doing?
I am reading a book.
What book are you reading?
I am reading How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie.
Who's your favorite author?
My favorite author is Joanne K. Rowling.
Do you know where I can get some good books?
Sure, you can find good books at your local library, nearby bookstores, or online shops like Amazon.
What's the weather like today?
It's sunny today.
What's your hobby?
I enjoy reading and hiking in my free time.
Do you enjoy watching films?
Yes, I do enjoy watching films.
What kind of films do you like?
I like a variety of films, especially science fiction and historical dramas.
Is there anything I can do to help?
Thanks for asking, but I'm okay for now. What's the problem?
The computer isn't working properly.
I have the pens here. Which one is yours?
The blue one is mine. I want to buy a new laptop. What do you recommend?
I think the Acer Aspire 3 is a very good laptop.
What are you doing, Mom?
I am cooking breakfast right now.
What's for breakfast?
We're having scrambled eggs for breakfast.
When will it be ready?
It should be ready in about 20 minutes. Have you done your homework?
Yes, I finished my homework.
Where should I put this?
Just put it on the table over there.
What are you looking for?
I am just looking for my phone.
Can I ask you a question?
Sure, go ahead and ask.
What is this called in English?
It's called a cupcake in English.
How do you say amanecer in English?
That's said as sunrise in English.
Can you repeat that?
That's said as sunrise in English. Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
How do you pronounce this?
It's pronounced quinoa.
How do you spell that?
It's spelled Travel.
Is it difficult to learn English?
It can be challenging, but doable.
Why are you late?
I was caught in traffic. Can I have the menu, please?
Yes. Here's the menu.
What's the matter?
Nothing, I'm just feeling a bit tired today. How about you? How was your day?
It's been a good day, thanks. When did you arrive?
I arrived around 10 a.m.
Who did you come with?
I came here alone.
How long will you be staying?
I will be staying for about a week.
What would you like to eat?
I'd like to eat some pasta.
I don't like eating pasta.
Why? Are you allergic to pasta?
No, I'm not allergic to pasta.
How much does it cost?
It costs $25.
Can I pay by credit card?
Yes, we accept credit cards.